YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to talk about the FL Studio Mobile new update. The FL Studio Mobile just released a new update today, as you can see, yesterday, and then here is the new update. Fix the bug preventing successful zip export and cloud sync on Android. Fix the bug when some direct wave presets load without loop markers. So like, yeah man, I used to be surprised and keep on wondering why when I save my zip files it doesn't allow me, cause since I'm selling my beats I need to have zip files and the FML. But anyways, FL Studio Mobile has been improving and it just can't stop becoming bigger and better all the time. As you can see here, we're 4.318 version. We're coming from 16 version. It was updated yesterday, 29 August, and we had 500,000 downloads. People are making music for real. And it only cost 200 rand, which is I think $11. I think so. It's offered by Image Line, FL Studio Mobile 20 PC version and more, not mobile. FL Studio PC version and FL Studio Mobile, it's kind of like the same thing. The difference is the mobile and the PC. So yeah man, this FL Studio was released 17 April 2023. We're moving forward. I really can't wait for version 5 actually. Version 5. I'm so happy for FL Studio Mobile changing people's life. So anyways, let's just go straight to the video, man. I'm just going to show you what this fixed a bug thing that they're talking about. So now let's open our FL Studio Mobile and make sure. Right now I'm inside the FL Studio Mobile, as you can see, guys. Yeah, I was making this beat. I couldn't finish it. I was not feeling it. So I want to save it. What I want to do is to play any instrument. Try to save the zip file of the instrument just to see if the update is really working and if the update is worth it. So let me play this beat that I love the most, and then I will try to save the zip file. Yeah guys, you saw me saving the zip file of this beat. I'm so happy, man. This was a very serious problem for me. Couldn't save the zip file. I feel like the beat without the zip file is kind of like it's not complete. The zip file is it covers all your project files, So yeah man, right now I'll go and try to play some of the sound that are included in the FL Studio Mobile new version 4.3.18G. So yeah man, you can buy the sound from Google Play Store anyway.